I strolled along Lake Belfield while the sun went down on the first evening. When the weather was overcast, I went to Halls Gap Zoo and patted and spent some time with dingoes. I did a cardio workout, stepping down 260 steps to see the force of nature that is Mackenzie Falls. I went to Reed Lookout and the balcony walk and found a dragon. Then sat near the fire tower to watch the sun go down on the day. Morning, Baruka's Lookout showed me the most amazing sunrise. It was a pleasure to sit there and watch. Straight from sunrise, I went and did the Pinnacle Walk, walked through Silent Street while it was silent, and then looked out over the balcony and the whole valley below. Absolutely magical. I finished the day with a nice easy flat walk to Venus Baths and sat by the pools and watched the water flow through. Day 4 saw me drive to new parts of the park where I saw Aboriginal art. And magical little waterfalls where you could believe that fairies live. And finally to Halls Gap for lunch and an ice cream.